Casey Artist, aka Chantel Artist. And the reason why I'm saying that, because if you've been my longtime subscriber, you know that I usually go by my middle name, but this time I'm going by my initials, Casey. So this will be, as the title say, an unboxing to the what is it called? Tote bag. The Marc Jacobs. Is it Marc Jacobs? Tote bag. I think it is. Yo, guys, I bought this so long ago. Let me see what's the date on here. I bought this a year ago. A year ago, August. It says August 23rd. It shipped 2021. It's still in a box. I have not opened it. It could be wrong for all I know. This is bad, y'all. This is when you know you have a shopping problem. But anyways, I'm finally opening up because I'm settled in to my new place. I mean, I just moved here in March, so I've been here in March, April, May, June, July, August, 4 or 5 months, you know, so no excuses, but I'm getting into it now. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, be a part of the family. And to all my subbies, thank y'all so much for rocking with me still. Okay, so let me get into this unboxing. Because of the move, yeah, it's kind of open and stuff, but okay. So it makes no sense why I didn't open this bag, but yeah, this bag retails for $150 at that time. Hopefully it's still $150. Forgive me, y'all. So I just got the regular basic Marc Jacobs tote bag, and it was real popular when I purchased it, and it's still popular. People are still buying it. There's different fabrics that you can do. I just had the regular, like, what's this fabric? But there's also, I believe, leather as well, or vegan leather, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, see, still in. This is how it would come, like. But so yeah, y'all getting, it's the black color, obviously. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. This is cute. Why didn't I open this a long time ago? This is cute. And the back, it says the Marc Jacobs style tote. And then the tote bag. This is gonna replace my Telfar bag, y'all. I've been rocking my Telfar to the ground. And this is what I was saying. Telfar is a newer brand, and if you checked out my Telfar, I have a review of the Telfar bag on my page if you want to go check that out. But I was just saying that Telfar to me wasn't worth, the small one wasn't worth $150. If it was like $100, I'd be like, okay, you know. So the fact that you get Marc Jacobs, and Marc Jacobs been around forever for the same price, and it's bigger, come on, like, come on, you know what I'm saying? So let me just rip this. Ooh. Ooh. Here is the tag on it, $150. But, oh, this is cute. Comes with the straps. Oh, I am going to rock this. You get the little card, Marc Jacobs card. But yeah, this go. But listen, this is cute. I'm gonna have to so far rate this a 10 out of 10 for the price, the name, the size. I don't like big bags, y'all. I hate big bags, and I got several big bags that I don't wear, several designer bags, and it already won up on Telfar because you can remove the straps, y'all. A lot of people was asking, you know, with the Telfar, oh, can you remove the straps? You can't. You can remove the straps with the Marc Jacobs tote, y'all. Look at this. It's quality. It's thick. Oh, this is giving. This is giving. This is giving, y'all. Let me put the straps back on. Oh yeah. It is giving. Y'all, my neighbors are nosy as fuck. Nosy. Let me see. Y'all, this is giving. Hold on. It is giving, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. It is doing what it's supposed to do. 10 out of 10. This is my initial reaction. I will give more of a breakdown in maybe a couple of weeks, but this is going to be my new bag that I'm going to be rocking always. I could just tell I've been wanting a black bag, a small black bag, and this is not too small, but it's actually kind of like too big for me. I'm keeping it up because all I carry is 2 cards, an ID, lip gloss, my phone. That's all I carry. But I want to see if my iPad mini could fit in here. Let me, hold on. A game changer, y'all. If my iPad could fit in here. Is this the mini? I think this might be the mini. Hold on, y'all, because I had this for a while too. I don't know, but this is my iPad right here. Let's see if this could fit in here. It might not could fit with this. I mean, you can't zipper it, but let's see without the cover. Girl, y'all, it could fit without it. It's a game changer, period. Because a businesswoman like me, it's a game changer. I probably might just need like a thicker, because honestly, this was for the original iPad that was a lot thicker. So I probably need a smaller one, a thinner one. Game changer. It fits. That's it. Marc Jacobs, you did that, and I might be coming back and getting another color or maybe a different cloth material, but 10 out of 10, y'all. Let me know in the comments if y'all feeling this, if you're gonna think about getting it, because it's a must. It's a staple. It's a staple, okay? So if you made it to the end of my video and you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button yet, y'all. Until next time, peace out. Bye.